Let's do some ukulele warm-ups. We're going to stretch out our fingers by doing a walking exercise up and down the 4 strings. So what we're going to do is we're going to assign each finger to one of the frets. First finger will go on the 1st fret, second finger on the 2nd fret, third finger on the 3rd fret, fourth finger on the 4th fret, and then we will take those off as we go up and down each of the strings. So we're going to start with the string closest to you, which is the green string or the 4th string or the G string. What we're going to do is put our first finger on the 1st fret, second finger on the 2nd fret, third finger on the 3rd fret, fourth finger on the 4th fret, and then pull them off individually, 3, 2, 1, open, as we pluck with our thumbs on the correct string. Eventually, you'll be able to speed this up. Let's try it. We'll start with the 4th string. 4th string, green, G, open. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st, open. Let's go to the 3rd string, red string, C, open, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, open. Yellow, 2nd string, E, open, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, open. And then finally blue, the 1st string, A, open, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, open. For the next warm-up, you're going to put your finger across all 4 strings with your thumb in the back, pinching like that. So the thumb goes behind the neck, and we're going to start at the 5th fret. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there should be a dot on many ukuleles right in the middle of that 5th fret. And what we're going to do is we're going to play all 4 strings and try to get a clear sound strumming with our thumb. When you can do that, what you want to practice doing is going from 5 to 4 to 3 to 2 to 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5. That's the warm-up. Let's try it one more time. 5, 4, 3,